no entry and the most effective rat repellent spray for cars. No entry works on two principles. One is smell and the other is taste. Before you start applying no entry, wear the face mask and hand gloves provided in the kit. Before you apply no entry, make sure your car engine is dry and clean. Let's look at how to apply no entry for the best use. It should be spread equally on each part of the engine, especially cables, pipes, intake manifold, battery terminals, washer fluid, and the places that are entry points for the rats. Reach out to each and every part of the car engine and cover every cable or wire with the spray. No entry is keeping rats away from the car so that it does not damage the engine and cables inside. Therefore, spraying no entry on the bottom of the car and backside is equally important. Every time, rats may not come from the bonnet, but it can enter from the majorly open portion which is underneath the engine. In case the rat enters the engine, it will still not bite the cables because of the bitter taste. We suggest you to take help of your service center to apply the no entry products, especially at the lower part of the engine by putting it on the engine bay. No entry lasts for 80 to 90 days effectively in the normal working condition of your vehicle. If your car goes for servicing completely, then apply no entry again. Heavy rains during outings and waterlogging may require use of no entry more times. If your car is running for 100 to 200 kilometers per day, then you might have to apply no entry more often. No entry is all about precaution and protection. It will not kill the rat, but will keep the rats away from your vehicle. Do not spray no entry inside the car. Its strong smell may not allow people to sit comfortably in the car. If you have a habit of parking your car in one place, then rats become habituated to staying in your car. But once they find that there is bitter taste and a strong smell, they will go away and will not come back. Spraying it on the engine will not spread the smell inside the car. In case that happens, then the car needs to be checked for the leakage.